안녕하세요. 선생님, 제 이름은 모하mmad 모르셰দুল 바리입니다. 저는 바ংলাদেশি 사람입니다. 제 나이는 21살입니다. 제 가족은 모두 4명입니다. 아버지, 어머니, 그리고 남동생입니다. 저는 공부를 하기 위해 한국에 가고 싶습니다. 한국에서 열심히 공부고 제 꿈을 이루고 싶습니다. 감사합니다. Hello, sir. My name is Emre Morshidul Bari. I am from Bangladesh. I am 20 years old, 21 years old. There are 5 members in my family. I have father, mother, 2 brother and 1 sister. I have graduated from high school and I am currently studying at a university. I am learning Korean because I have strong interest in the Korean language and culture. I will first complete a Korean language program at Konkuk University. After finishing the language program, I will enroll in a bachelor degree at Konkuk University and I am to complete in successful. After completing my bachelor degree, I plan to pursue a master's degree and complete it successful as well. After completing my studies, I plan to return to Bangladesh and work in a field that aligns with my qualification so that I can actively contribute to the development of my country. Thank you.